as we were exploring in yesterday's video, one of the big advantages of suspension calisthenics on rings or traditional straps is the ability to rotate the hands, which can further influence the tension in the muscles. Yesterday we did it with the RTO push-ups to really blast the chest. Today we're going to be doing the same thing to hit your biceps to a much higher degree. So the first exercise we're going to be doing is rotational pull-ups. Now I'm doing this with the rings pretty low for jackknife pull-ups, which are very effective for hitting the back and biceps. It can also help you really dial in your technique if traditional full body weight pull-ups are a little bit challenging. Plus, it's just also a lot easier for me to film. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start all the way down. Palms are facing forwards. And as we come up, we have a full rotation all the way around. This is because the biceps not only flex the elbow, they also have that influence on the rotation of the hand as well. So we get a full range of motion, nice and deep. When we do these seated or jackknife pull-ups, we want to make sure our hips don't lift up, because then it just turns into a normal row. So we still want the hips underneath the shoulders and get a full range of motion in both the shoulder and with the rotation. And then we're going to follow up with a curl variation, which works particularly well on the rings since you don't have the ability to have a rotating handle, but you can also do this on the regular suspension rig as well, is the classic clutch curl. So what we do is we set up in kind of a row position underneath where our palms are facing towards us in a supine position, and we drive our elbows down, bringing the body up. This is a classic clutch curl. Keep in mind that my elbows are still in front of me. If they're pulling back, again, we end up with a row, which isn't bad, but this really helps to drive a lot of tension into the biceps. You may want your rings a little lower for this. This isn't really the ideal height for it, but you can still get the basic idea as you basically curl your shoulders up towards your hands. Very effective for driving tension into the biceps. We're gonna keep the workout format very simple for this one, where it's gonna be 6 to 8 of the pull-up variation of your choice with the rotation, followed by 8 to 10 of the clutch curls immediately afterwards. Rest as needed, probably about 2 to 3 sets will do you to really light up those biceps, but of course, listen to your body and get as many as you need to create a satisfying stimulus. Let me know if you have questions, and there's more links down below for more suspension resources, as well as all of the other videos here in the RDP Advent Calendar. Best of luck in today's workout. Be fit, live free.